Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about limiting your download speed on Steam. So if you want to throttle the download speed while playing games or downloads, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So we're ready to begin, and we're going to start by selecting the Steam tab and then select Settings. Select the Downloads option on the left side. And now if you want to enable download restrictions, so limit bandwidth to, you can click inside this drop down here and select how much you want to limit the bandwidth to maximum. And you also have the ability to throttle downloads while streaming, so if this is checked, Steam will limit the download speed to maintain a high quality Steam remote play experience. And you also have the ability to allow or disable downloads during gameplay. So this is going to be set to turned off by default. If you wanted to re-enable, you could. And that's pretty much it, guys. Not too many things to play around with there. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.